What's up, Cay-Babiessssss? It's Kayla back with another video. I promised y'all I was coming for more. It just took me a little minute. Today's video, as from the title, in this cute face, you can tell that I'm showing y'all how to do this lovely fairy. I don't really know what I'm going to come up with yet. Cute little fairy look. All pink look. Pooh, you know I come through. Well, anyways, yeah, so today I am doing this video. I hope y'all enjoy it. If you don't know me, it's your first time here. My name is Kayla. Hey Pooh, welcome to the Cay-Babiessssss. Before you watch this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because you're going to love me throughout this video. I tried to do a new thing with this video by doing a voiceover and not talking while I'm filming because I always tend to talk a little bit too much. So yeah, I hope y'all really enjoy this. Comment below, let me know if y'all enjoy this or y'all like me talking more, because I'm pretty sure talking more is more personal, like interpersonal, like I'm really talking y'all over than just like me telling y'all what I'm doing while talking. So yeah, but I really have fun doing this look. I incorporated some glitter and things like that. So please let me know if you love this look, again like I said, and without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so I am going to do my eyebrows off camera. I won't be showing y'all that just to save time, so just a second, I'll be right back. Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, we can move on with the look. But before we start, I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to be using today. First, I will be using all three of these palettes, the Morphe X James palette, Jaclyn Hill 2, and my favorite custom glitter Take 2 cosmetic palette. We are going to start off by using the James Charles palette, and girl, who told me to wear white? Why would I do that if I'm doing some makeup? Child, please. Okay, to start off, I'll be using these pink colors in the bottom right, but I am going to start off with the color Skip. Okay, using my trusty old blue Morphe brushes my bestie got me, I am going to be applying that color Skip to my inner crease. I'm going to use this as a base color just because I want it to be really pigmented, and the color I am going for is pink, so I'm going to try to get a really bold pink color into that crease so it can pop once I am doing the look. And I didn't tell y'all, but to prime my lids, I just used the leftover concealer I had whenever I was concealing my brows, and I just drug it down and added a little bit more where I needed some towards the bottom of my lid. As you can see at the top, I did not blend it as well, which will be okay once we add our foundation. Okay, I did switch over to my Morphe 433 brush just because I felt like it wasn't blending as good. And I wanted to get some more coverage over the top of my lid. So yeah, I really did do that. And I'm liking the way it's coming out, child. I'm gonna just go ahead and do my other brow, but I'm not gonna put that in because you already seen what I just did. Okay, I am going to go in with the Oh So Fabulous Jaclyn Hill Part 2 palette. Yes, girl, so chic, lovely, and glam. We love that, don't we? Oh, let me get it together real quick. Okay, I am going to go in with the color, what is that? Tipsy Girl? Yes, Tipsy Girl. Oh, no, sis, not yes. Tipsy Girl, and I'm also going to use the color right next to it, Lolly Mama. I'm going to use both of those colors over my lid just to deepen up that pink I already used with the James Charles palette. Okay, so yeah, going in with Tipsy Girl, I am just going over the color Skip that I used from the Morphe palette, well, the James Charles palette. So I'm just going over my crease, the same areas that I added the other color, just going over it to deepen it up a little bit, adding two bright colors, makes even brighter, honey. We love that. I'm now going in with Lolly Mama, just right above it as well, well, right under it, just a tad bit because it's like a little bit more of a deeper pink. I'm trying to start add shade to the color using darker colors of pink, or darker shades of pink, I shall say. But yeah, so I'm just going in with those colors, trying to deepen it up a little bit to get ready to add some more darker pinks, just to add some contrast to the eye a little bit. Okay, I am now going to go in with my Morphe 456 brush. I'm going to go in with the color Dance Party. It seems pink. I'm going to add a little bit because it has a little bit of red in it. And I don't want to overdo it and mess up my whole look. So I always say add a little bit, and if you like it, go ahead and add a little bit more. So I'm just using that smaller brush so that I can add it more defined to the line within my crease to deepen it up a little bit. Like I said, I am trying to use some contrast. So I'm just going to add that a little bit to my liking, and just kind of blend it in so that you can start seeing the definition and the transition from light to a deeper pink. Okay, I felt that the color wasn't deep enough, so I'm going back to the James Charles palette in the color Love That. And I'm going to apply that right back on top, right in the crease, just to deepen it up just a tad bit more. Just because whenever it comes to me cutting the crease, you'll be able to see, like I said, that transition from dark to light pink. Alright, now that I'm looking like the glammed out raccoon bandit, I'm going in with the color Pinkity Drinkity right there, that light pink color. And I'm just going to apply that right under my brow bone. So you see where it's a little bit too much pink, it's going to, blend it out to blend into my brow bone. I'm just going to start off, like I said, light, and then blend it to as much as I like, to where I'm comfortable with it. Baby K, you still not done blending, sweetie? You taking all day, y'all. I swear I will spend all day blending one part of my eye if it's not the last thing I do. Hoo chow. Okay, using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color White, I am going to dab a little bit on my hand and get ready to dun, 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 carve out that cut crease, honey. Baby, this is where it gets tricky. I'm only going to do one eye because, I got to perfect the other side. But I'm starting off with the corner, like I said, with the corner. And just, hold up, zoom in real quick. Yep. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit in my corner, and then I'm going to go to the lid just a little bit, but not too much. And I'm just going to look up. That way I can kind of have a guide of where I need to start cutting that crease. Okay, now that I have looked up, I am going to try to just connect what I've already done gently. Also, making sure that you're not blending it too much to where it's pink. And if it is, I wipe it on my hand and get new white concealer so that it can kind of stay bright while I'm cutting the crease. But yeah, so I'm going to kind of do a winged outline, but I'm not going to cut it all the way down just because I kind of wanted to get a little fairy wing effect. So I'm not going to fill it in all the way where you see I'm cutting the crease at. It's just going to be a white line. Okay, now that the crease is cut and the wing is there, I'm just going back over the crease with a little bit more white concealer. That way, whenever I go back in with those very bright and blush pink colors on top of the lid, you'll actually be able to see them versus still having that pink kind of after mix or whatever kind of concoction I came up with whenever I was cutting that crease. So basically, that's what I'm doing here. Okay, now that both creases are done, I'm going in with the color Flashback, that pretty white. And I'm just going, like I said, whenever I added the white concealer, I'm just going to add that on top of my lids so that it can kind of mix in with the blush pink whenever I apply that as well. Silly me, I didn't even tell you, but I'm using the Morphe M166 brush just to pat that on top of my lid as well. Okay, sweeties. I'm now going back in with the shade Pinkity Dinkity, but this time I'm applying it on top of that white that I used earlier. I'm just going to be adding basically a whole bunch of light pink colors and little shimmers just to blend in whenever I add that glitter in just a sec. Really quickly, I am going with this super cute pink color by MAC called Purple Showers. Baby, why is it called Purple Showers if it's pink? I don't know. I guess they said, argue with your mama, not me, child. But I'm just going to put that over my lid along with the other colors that I've put on top of my lid. Like I said, again, just to prep me for whenever I go ahead and add that glitter on my lid. Okay, going in with my NYX glitter primer, I am going to use that to apply this very light pink that I got from my Take Two Glitter Cosmetics glitter palette. I did make that custom, but I am going to put that light pink color onto my lid, all over my lid till I get tired. Nah, but really, just till I feel like I've had just enough that'll pop for my eyelashes. And really, that's the finished look for the eyeshadow. I mean, we're gonna do my face really quick just so y'all can get the good look. But yeah, so let's watch me do the rest of my face. Okay, now that the lid is done, it's time for some face time. I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu just to spray and moisturize my face a little bit, and then I am going to use my Major Hangover Too Faced primer to prime my face. Okay, now that the face is primed, I'm going with the Shape Tape Tarte concealer in the color medium tan golden, which is closest to my skin tone. And I'm just going to kind of brush that over my little blemishes so that when I put my foundation on, it won't show as much. Okay, using both the mattening and the hydrating Fenty foundations, I'm going to mix them both because I am in between both shades right now. And I'm going to use that, mix it, and use that as my foundation for my face. Make sure you get your coverage, girl. It's nighttime. I don't know why I put so much foundation on, but it's whatevs. Okay, I'm going back in with the Shape Tape Concealer, but this time in the color Medium Sand, under the eyes, on the chin, and right in the forehead just a little bit, just to highlight those areas. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, let it get tacky, and then I will blend it and come back to show y'all. Using my Airspun translucent powder and the beauty blender I use to blend out that concealer, I'm going to go ahead and tap in the translucent powder into my skin just to help and make sure that I won't have any creases during the wear of my foundation. Okay, I'm gonna try and attempt to do this little contour thing with this super cute MAC trio palette that I got from Marshall's. I don't even know the name of it, but I'm just gonna try and attempt to make some little contour definition to my cheeks, because you know your girl got chubby cheeks, honey. So I'm just gonna go around adding that to both sides of my cheek, around my, like, you know, I guess cheekbone, jawbone, whatever. And I'm gonna put a little bit around my forehead just to make my forehead just look a little bit smaller than what it really is. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some white eyeliner in the color Skip, and I'm gonna put that along my waterline just to add, you know, some color whenever I add my lashes. I'm also gonna go back with the glitter and put that under my eye, and I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, K-Bays, well, this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing it. I haven't done pink in a long time, so it was really fun doing this look for y'all. I tried to do some with my natural hair because I didn't know what else to do. I just got some cute puffs with some little, you know, those bedazzled barrettes or whatever you want to call them, bobby pins that's going around, that's in the trend right now. Without further ado, I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like and comment under this video. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, if you found this helpful. Subscribe to my channel. I have more stuff coming. So yeah, and I can't wait to see y'all later.